and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's get fruity with a Halloween fruit platter. Come on, join us. We start with a banana. Super easy, just cut it in half. Now, on each half, we're going to stick on some sultanas with peanut butter. Cut your sultana in half and use each half for an eye. Now get a full one for the mouth. Wide open. Woo! Repeat. Brilliant! Next, get a clementine. Cut it in half. Take out the stem. And in its place, we're going to put a piece of pretzel. Did you guess what it is yet? Now we're going to cut up an apple. First, cut it into quarters. Take out the pips. And then slice each quarter like so. We're just removing a section from the middle. Don't slice all the way through. There, like a mouth. Now get some mini marshmallows and slice them into quarters. These are going to be your teeth. We're using peanut butter to stick 'em on. First, the upper ones. And then the lower ones. That's a very happy apple slice. Let's add some edible fake blood for a Halloweeny effect. Ew. Next, get some grapes. Cut them in half. Get your mini marshmallow and cut that in half too. Stick that on with peanut butter and use an edible pen to draw on the pupil for your eye. Let's make a bloodshot effect with a red edible pen. Very Halloweeny looking eyes. Next, get 300 grams of Greek yogurt in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Nutella and mix. Yum! Now we're going to pipe on whipped cream in the form of a web. And use some sultanas to make a spider. Awesome! Look at that Halloween fruit platter. Absolutely brilliant! Super fun, and kids will eat healthy.